So, hi guys, good day. So, today is pupunta tayo ng Cafe Alicia sa Pamplona dahil magbabanding daw kami ng aking pamilya. So, nauna na pala sila guys, and kami ng girlfriend ko is nahuli na kami. So, bibilisan lang namin. So, join us guys sa aming pag-travel papunta ng Pamplona. So, after a very long biyahe, so, nandito na kami sa Cafe Alicia here in Pamplona. So, maganda pala dito guys, the scenery, meron silang iba't ibang outdoor activities. So, you can take pictures here as well because maganda yung kanilang background and stuff. So, yes, and kaya pala kami pumunta dito para magkapag-banding kaming lahat kasi once in a blue moon lang kami mag-banding kasi puro na busy sa kanya-kanyang gawain sa buhay, trabaho, eskwela. So kaya sinusulit talaga namin dito guys. So I think that's a little bit of trip here in Pamplona. So these are the pictures guys. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.